Hello guys, today we're going to look at graphing inequalities. Now, at first you see this problem in the number line below, you're like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? Don't worry, watch this. Gotta love this magic, right? Now, look at this. It's a minus 17 is greater than a negative 16. I wrote it like this, a minus 17 equals negative 16. The only thing that's different is right here. This says equal to, this says greater than. Okay, that is why this is an inequality and this is equal. Okay, so you have this problem. How would you solve it? Well, you're going to identify your variable a. What are they doing to the a? They're subtracting 17. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 17 plus 17 here, and then come over here and plus 17. Signs are different. So we have a negative and a positive. What I tell you, the signs are different. You subtract and you get a 1. 16 taken away. 17 is going to give you 1. Which sign is bigger though? 17 is bigger, so it's a positive 1. So a will equal 1. Okay? So I wrote it all over once again. It's a minus 17 is greater than negative 16, just like it is here. Now this is the exact same problem. All I did was switched around this. Replace this greater than sign with an equal to sign, or this equal to sign that was here with a greater than sign. So what am I going to do? Same exact thing. Identify my variable. Boop. Oops. Identify my variable. Boops. What are they doing? They're subtracting 17. I'm going to add 17. That's the opposite. Boop, boop, plus there. Plus 17. Hey fellas, look at this. We're going to get the same answer, 1, and it's going to be a positive 1. So a is going to be greater than 1. Okay? This is my answer. It's the same thing as over here. A is greater than 1. Now, I told you last time, and I've told you a couple times, as long as my a is on the left-hand side of this, my variable is on the left-hand side of this greater than equal to sign right here, as long as it's on the left-hand side, then I'm golden. So whichever direction this arrow points, that's the direction that my line will go. So what do? I come up to 1, and I put a circle around it. Which direction does my arrow go? It tells you right here. It's going this direction. My arrow goes this direction. And this would all be shaded in. Okay? This problem is just a little bit different. Once again, it's 3 plus v is less than or equal to negative 9. All your problems that I'm going to give you guys are going to be simple, easy, one-step equations, and the variable will always be on the left-hand side right now, so that it'll make it easier for you to graph it, okay? Because when the variable is on the left-hand side, whichever direction the arrow goes, that's the direction you graph to, okay? So this is the same as writing this. 3 plus v equals a negative 9, correct? Yeah, you know it is, guys. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to identify my variable. Boop. And then what am I going to do after that? It's my variable v. What are they doing? They're adding 3. I'm going to subtract 3 over here. Minus 3 here. Minus 3 over here. Ooh, guys. I have a negative 9. I told you to dig 9 feet, a 9-foot hole. And I said, hey, dig another 3 feet hole on top of it. So you just keep going down deeper and deeper. It gives you 9, 10, 11, 12. The signs are the same. I'm going to add, so it's going to be a negative 12. So v is less than or equal to a negative 12. Okay? Okay, now I got rid of the red coloring up here. And I wrote the same thing over here. That's our answer. 3 is less than or equal to a negative 12. Or v is rather. So I'm going to graph it. How does that go? I'm going to come over to here till it says negative 12. I'm going to find negative 12 right here. Bam. Oops, sorry. I'm going to put a net 12 here. I'm going to put a circle around it. Check out the colors, right? Which direction is it going? It's going that way. How do I know it's going that way? Because right here, the arrow direction tells me which direction it's going. Okay, so I know the arrow direction is this is going in this direction because this arrow is telling me. Now, the only thing is, this has an equal sign under here. So guess what, guys? This has to be colored in as well. Okay? Now, I don't know if I wrote it correctly up here, but I did. On this one, the circle was left open, okay? Because there's no equal to sign under here. All right? If there's no equal to sign, the circle remains open. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me.